Just to update everybody, we have arrived in Cambodia and the taxi got me some Cambodian beer. His name is Chia. Say hi.
Hello.
They're going to be on YouTube tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to the hotel, get some food and stuff. It's just going to blow your mind, but they still have ring pools in Cambodia.
Street food.
Old school.
Looks so small, but here
We have arrived in Siem Reap and our drivers brought us to the street food capital of Siem Reap. Oh, looks amazing. A table by the river. Say hello. Good morning. We have arrived in Cambodia. Staying in this beautiful sanctuary. Just had breakfast. Hustle and bustle.
good morning, guys.
This is the watermelon man.
3 ngày không được.
ទេគាត់ថាវៀតណាមមិនຕົកបាត់យូរ
អត់ខ្ញុំលក់អត់
ហើយវៀតណាមយកពីយើងទៅវិញ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
នៅ
Look at this. The skills, man.
Hey guys.
Skills. Check out the melon man's bike. Barely holding together, and he's got a trailer and then a ton of melons. What a legend! Look at it. We have arrived at Angkor Wat main temple. It's on the Cambodian flag. It's a national symbol, and it dates from the 12th century. Hindus built it, and then later Buddhists, very closely related religion, took it over and kind of converted it into a Buddhist centre. We're going in, baby. Wow, that's amazing. Here we go. Over the humps of enlightenment. Built in the 12th century, over 800 years ago. It's still standing strong. Amazing. Check this shizzle out. Oh my god. It's like an old swimming pool. What animals did they have in this one?
Not monkeys.
A pit of monkeys, they would have drowned there.
Yeah, what about eels and jellyfish?
Eels and jellyfish.
And then that one's piranhas. Or probably...
Holy shamoly. That is tall. Probably 30 meters. Crazy. My mind is blown on how they would have built this thing. We're now like 20 meters up in the air. And they've got even bigger structures. Must have taken so long. I think we've just found the best place to view the temple. Right here. I can see a little munchkin. I can see you.
Finn. Finn.
Look at the stone right here. Incredible. Little piggies. Little piggies. Where are you hiding, little piggy? Really? 12th century. Here we are. Recognize this tree? Apparently that is in the Tomb Raider movie. And it grows down over the temple. Coming up. Here we go. Oh my god, it's steep. Is it ever gonna stop? Oh my god. Whew. Look at the lung buster, that one. Be careful. Good advice. There we go. These steps are so narrow. Oh, that breeze is so good. It's so hot here in the jungle today. There we go. We're at the top now. Oh, nice. Buddhist temple inside. Wow. National Park. Don't go too close. Dude. This is insane. You'll be alright. It's a nice view. Look at that.
You don't want to fall down there, mate.
Here we go. Just feels so spiritual and peaceful here. Come on, Finn, hit it. Hit it. Nice. Yeah. Whoa, that noise. That was satisfying. Carved from the solid rock. Is this one of the most important religious sites?
Do it harder than that.
You can hear the rumble of the waterfall. Heading down through the jungle now to go and swim in it. Crazy waterfall. Yeah, buddy. The rivers here in the Mountain National Park have got carvings in the riverbeds to a solid bedrock which predate the temples on the plateau below. Amazing. Alright, I'm gonna eat this. My kids dared me. Finn, are you ready? Finn, are you watching?
Okay.
Are you watching? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Even Jemima is upset and stuff.
that one, not so great.
Daddy, even Jemima.
Okay,
Okay.
definitely need beer to wash it down. More tasty things. Good fish.
Barbecue. Fish barbecue.
Yummy.
Sometimes like the snake.
The big fish.
Yeah, the bigger one.
Snake fish.
Chicken.
There's eels.
Barbecue, yeah. Sometimes fish too, but sometimes
Skinny
like
fish.
here, yeah.
Good bait fish. Weird.
I don't know how to call it.
Nice. Biltong. We're eating noodles. So we're at our final temple. This is going to be the last one we visit in Cambodia before we head back tomorrow. Done lots of everything. Swimming the waterfall. And walking down some nice trails. That's a nice lunch. We wanted to come to this one in particular because This temple is still enshrined in the jungle. It's non-commercialised. It's not really been dug out of the jungle. The jungle is still consuming this one. So let's go check it out. It's a mahogany tree. The atmosphere in this place. This is something else. This is. The jungle is taking it over now. It's like something out of Jungle Book. I'm glad we came here last. This is amazing. Whoa! Look at the vines. I just see it to believe it. Maybe an ancient alien race of lizard people came here and destroyed it. Hey Finn, look at it. Look at this. Straight out of Tomb Raider. I could spend hours here. What do you do? Bang the noggin. Fine. This is crazy. I prefer it like this. Consumed by the jungle. What the hell is this? Is there any carvings on the wall? It feels more like a kind of bunker than anything. Can we fall in the swamp? I love this bit here. Stepping stones over the swamp. Ben, you gonna go across the stepping stones? This is like Tomb Raider. I'm Angelina Jolie. Don't fall in, Mr. Finn. Finn's in a rage because he got swamp foot. Like I've been transported into an Indiana Jones set. Moss covering everything. Scale of this place. What it would have looked like when it was in its prime. don't know if you've ever seen this before. Look at these plants. When you touch them, they close up. Look at that. They kind of fold downwards and close. I guess it's a mechanism to do that on there now. Mechanism to stop getting predated. So our last night in Cambodia. We're heading down to the Fountain of Dragons on the tuk-tuk to get some dinner. Cheap food, hopefully. A bit more expensive here than Vietnam, perhaps. The kids are all cruising in the front. Say hi, kids.
Hi.
Finn's got his fancy new shirt.
I'm wearing my fancy new Vietnam.
And we got nice cold beer. I got my Angkor Wat t-shirt on. Loving it.